Okay, they're trying to get a wash machine. We'll see how it goes. Right now it's spinning. Because you got to check them out. It's spinning. Yeah. We're gonna wait for it to stop. And then see if it, how it does as far as washing. Huh? Okay. Yeah, I told him I'll take it, but only after I see it wash. Are you willing to give me a guarantee? If it don't work when I take it home, I can bring it back. So we'll see how it goes. Does he know we're here? Does he know we are back? We'll see it. Oh, it's spinning real good, but I want to see it wash. See if I can get him to get off the phone. Sure. Huh? Yeah, that's right. All right, looks like we're gonna take that. Right? Yeah, that's it. Okay, we negotiated a deal for $6,500. So that's just a little over $100 US. It's not bad. Yeah, not bad. And I tested it. It looks like it's working well. Plus, he gave me a guarantee, cash refund guarantee. So we'll see. Well, hope it balances well. Seems like it's pretty nice. Seems like we got it for a good price. Who is that? Yeah, they got some nice things around here. Mostly used, you know, appliances. But occasionally you can find something new too. Yeah. All right. Yeah, so we got the washing machine home and I realized we left the hose. So now we're going back to get the hose. Boy, I'm tired. It's been a long day already. And now it seems like the traffic is really getting heavy. Yeah, this queen went and got her some watermelon, had it delivered to the car, and she didn't think about me. How's it taste? Is it delicious? Is it sweet? And she says it's sweet. Oh my goodness.
But I know you won't eat it.
Why?
You prefer something that you buy the whole watermelon and sit in the house eating. That's what they do. I just bought this because I need a water, so I don't see anywhere selling water.
I just seen the sister selling water.
That is...
It's not correct?
No, I don't want that.
Did she get that from the hose pipe? That's still good water.
No, it's a good water. But he made it for himself.
Right. Here it is. This is what we need. A hose pipe. All right. Are you ready to go? Me too. That watermelon must have been good. You should have got you 2 pieces. Maybe you should have got you 2 pieces of that watermelon. Look, it's all gone and you still eating it. When do they go vote here? Tomorrow? They vote for their president tomorrow.
This is the president.
Here.
This is the president.
Y'all is tripping. Just let me get through Well, I wish I could find me some cake down there.